Why do black people, when they're waiting for the water to get hot, they keep doing this under the water like that's gonna speed up the process? Why is that a thing? Say having a child is not easy. My curl, aka Tin Boom. This. Anyway, when it comes to this, I think she's going back to school. So guys, I got me a new camera.
I'm just popping bang. Short hair like need alone. Loose one, she don't need a loan. She start twerking when she hear a song. Stripper pole her income. We get trippy and then some. So nasty when she rollin'. She put that ass off in my hands. I remote control it. She give me down when the roof gone.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What else? But what you want? I don't know.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I don't wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's time going where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Baby, I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
And it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What else? But what you want? I don't know.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I don't wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's time going where I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Baby, I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
And it's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
MT, you made this?
Try to swing on the feeder. You know everything pinker. You know everything twinkle. I'm looking for a pleaser. Can you tell me, have you seen him? Tell him that I need him. He know everything pinker. He like it how I talk with my grill in my mouth. He from the East Coast, want a bitch from the South. He wanna power up, drink and get thrown. He want your life, fuck the price is just closed. We ain't drinking, spending money, gon' smile, little daddy. This ain't drinking, I ain't tripping, I just wanna see you happy. I've been ballin' in the mix, I've been making it happen. Booking flights, this my life, all off of rapping. Pink mix, pink drink, nigga, everything pink. Pink whip, pink slip, give a damn what you think. Say you want the pill sex, it's your show. If you is, then
Guys, I got me a new camera, so you know the quality about to eat down. Yes.
The one and only DJ
Te amo, she says to me. I hear pain in her voice. Then we danced underneath the candelabra. She takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over. And she said, Te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, Te amo. Told her run away. Let me go. I saw the cry. I asked you why. I said, Te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't mean I love you. Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love Te amo, Te amo. She's scared to breathe. I hold your hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, danced in the water. I start to leave.
It's burning. Why is it burning? Ooh. Hold on. Why is it burning? Vitamin E. Is it supposed to burn? I'm not sure why it was burning, but we're gonna skip step 1 because the step 2 process is a 2-step process. 1 and 2. Step 1 was doing way too much. It burnt my skin. So we're gonna just do the mask.
Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you. Listen, we can dance. You gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. Then she said, Te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, Te amo. Told her run away. Let me go. I saw it cry. I asked you why. I said, Te amo. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? I think it means I love you. I love you. Te amo, te amo.
Okay, and they say leave this on for 10 minutes. I'll check back with y'all. And talk. And don't. Then when he comes big. Woo! Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? We have 2 orders today. So we have a pixie cut wig. Have a pixie cut. Nova, leave it. Anybody else dog don't listen? Cause I feel like her ears, like, I don't know, it shut off or something. Like, she don't listen. Especially when she's outside. Alright, so we have this. Don't mind my 4 nails missing, guys. Like, I don't know. I don't think I'll do, because I did my nails differently this time, and I don't think I'll do it that way again because they don't last. They're not lasting that way. So I'm gonna just do it the regular way and then do designs on my nail. Alright, so we have that. Look at these bag of wig caps. Anytime I get wigs, I save the wig caps so I can send them in the orders. So everybody gets everybody gets a wig cap, and then I'll send a band with that one, and I'll send a lash with that one. So everybody gets some goodies, you know? Alright, so we'll do a wig cap and cute little scrunchie. Put that in there, like so. Close that up. Alright, and then for our next order, we have some bundles. I got these bundles from, oh, this have a wig cap in there already. I got these bundles from a vendor on Amazon. They did not require me to install them, so I was like, I'm gonna sell them. So we have 26, 24, and 22, and it's body wave bundles. But the girl that ordered them, I think she's going back to school, so I don't know, college or what's the name, or high school, I don't know. But she placed the order last night, which is Friday night, and I told her I'll ship them tonight because she said she wanted them to go back to school before August 6th. So I was like, girl, I got you. I'll make sure I ship them, because usually they take about maybe like 3 days. So if I ship it today, it should be there before then. So we have that, and we have these. Nisha, say hey. Look how clean it is. It's so clean. Love it. Love, love, love it. This is how it looks in the case, guys. I got hot pink because if you know, you know, that's my favorite color. So, and then that flips off the screen. Hold on. I gotta take, this is a, what is this? A case for the top of the camera. So let me take this off. And then that's how it looks. Ooh, hey YouTube. So pretty. And then I flip it vertically for YouTube, or horizontal. Which one is vertical? Which one is horizontal? I still don't know. I'm at big age. I don't know. But yeah, this is how it looks. And the gimbal follows you wherever you go. But absolutely love it. Ah. Hey y'all, so I realized I haven't talked to y'all all morning. So anyways, let me know if you see a difference in the quality, because I did get a new camera, as you guys would have seen in a few clips. I got a new camera, and I think it looks a lot better. I think it looks a lot better, and I actually love the quality of this one. And I got some new accessories for it the other day, and I'll record some pieces and I'll show you guys on my phone. Say hey. Look how clean it is. It's so clean. Love it. Love, love, love it. But I'm gonna try to get a few clips of the accessories on the camera and show it to you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Sorry guys, I did do a little bit of shopping last night, but I did not take you with me. I honestly forgot the camera. But I'll show you guys those pieces. We went to TJ Maxx and we went to Ross. There wasn't much in Ross. I went there to look for some tops and so but they didn't have anything. But I did find some cute dresses. I found 2 cute dresses. Don't mind my nails. I'm in the process of taking them off. 2 cute dresses in TJ Maxx. But it's Sunday morning and we're about to make some breakfast, so let's get into the kitchen. So we're making some festival and tin boom mackerel, aka tin boom, this morning. This is the festival I use. I love it. So I already prepped it and left it sitting for 15 minutes. So I'm about to roll it up into some like strings and then drop it in a pot to cook.
one I beg you, baby, jabata. I no get time, I did jabata. Dada cover my face, calling me labata. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the bend, the cash, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the bend, the cash, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to get you on my way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy.
Later in the vlog, heading to the vitamin shop to re-up on some vitamins. This is the little OOTD. I don't think you guys can see, but I'll try to get a few pictures for you guys. Still learning to work this camera. It keeps going down because of the gimbal. It follows my face, so yeah, I'm still getting used to it. But let me know how the quality is. I definitely can see a difference in the quality. But I'll call you back, girl. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Sweet, you'll only have one? Okay.
Man, is there any way y'all can contact them? Like, send more?
Usually we have like 3 or 4, and when we restock, that's what we get.
Gotcha.
So, yeah, Wednesdays and Fridays when we get restocked. So
okay.
that is a very popular.
Yeah. Yeah, it always gets those out fast. All right, thank you.
On auto delivery, it would come down to $16.14, and it would just get shipped to your house automatically. Like, this is a 30-day supply. We can have it shipped out every 30 days.
How do we set that up?
We just gotta verify your email and your address, and you just leave a card on file.
Okay. You want it under your email so you can get notification?
But how does it work for the discount? If
can I have to use my email for the?
It don't matter. Or whatever card you leave on, that's the card that's gonna get the discount price.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, gotcha. ON.
Let me set this.
By the swing on the finger, you know everything pinker, you know everything twinkle. I'm looking for a pleaser. Can you tell me, have you seen him? Tell him that I need him. He know everything pinker. He like it how I talk with my grill in my mouth. He from the East Coast, want a bitch from the South. He want a power up drink and get thrown. He want your life, fuck the price is just closed.
Guys, look at this cute little strawberry pillow. It's so cute. It gives like outdoors, like if you're having like a picnic outside or something. And then look, you can freeze some chocolate. It'll be in the shape of a strawberry. That's so cute. Isn't this little cutest thing? Good morning, guys. Don't mind, I have you guys on a candle stand right now, but I'm getting ready to go on the road to run some errands. So I thought I might pop in and say hello before I forget to talk to you guys today. But this is the little OOTD. Cute little dress and the hair situation. Me and this camera gonna fight because we're still trying to work it, but yeah. I absolutely love this hair color on me. It's crazy because when I first put it on, I was like, I don't know if I'm feeling it. But then after fluffing it out and playing with it and wearing it for a few days, I think I like this color. What y'all think? I kind of like it. Yep, it's cute. But yeah, we're about to run some errands, so I'll call you back.
By the swing on the finger, you know everything pinker, you know everything twinkle. I'm looking for a pleaser. Can you tell me, have you seen him? Tell him that I need him. He know everything pinker. He like it how I talk with my grill in my mouth. He from the East Coast, want a bitch from the South. He want a power up drink and get thrown. He want your life, fuck the price is just
guys, so we're back home. Went to Kroger and Walmart, and I swear that took me out. I'm so tired. But I got these coconut water. I love these. I usually get the 8-pack, but they didn't have the 8-pack for some reason. 2 weeks now I've been to Kroger, and they don't have it. I don't know why. Some sweet corn. Some mac and cheese. Absolutely love the Private Selection brand of this cheese. It's the Wisconsin 5 cheese blend. It's very good. Some penne. Some ground beef. I'm recording. She what?
She didn't poop, but she peed.
Oh, okay.
I had to bring it back out.
Oh, she more care about her string more. Anybody else dog do that? You buy them toys and they don't care about the toys. They rather play with, I don't know, some random item in the house. Anyways, trying this ground beef. Never had this brand before, so it's supposed to be good. Some pizza crust. Oranges. Sweet potato and tomatoes. Some avocado for avocado toast. Regular potatoes. Sour cream. Heavy cream. What else? Some bread. Love this bread, by the way, the multigrain. Very good. And some eggs. Oh, I got these eucalyptus flowers to hang over the shower. It's supposed to help with the moisture and the breathing, just the air quality in the shower, so it's supposed to be better. So yeah, I'm gonna hang these in the shower and I'll show you guys that. I also went to Walmart, so we got some vinegar from Walmart. Paper towel. Got this belt set because I've been needing some belts. So, but aren't these so cute? I love this one especially. It's very cute. Found this little waffle maker because I've been wanting a waffle maker for the longest time, and I found this cute little one. It's so cute. It's gonna be so perfect for Valentine's Day. I really wanted it to be circle like a regular one, but they didn't have it. And this is pink, so it pairs perfectly. But yeah, can't wait to use this. And that's it.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
Girl, the way you move it got me in a trance.
Bands will make her dance.
Yeah, so I just got up. Mind you, my child woke me up at 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock in the morning, she jumped on the bed and woke me up. But she's still asleep. Wake up. You need to wake up. Because why would you do that? Why would you do that, huh? I have a question for you. Why would you do that? Jumped on the bed and woke me up. 6 o'clock in the morning, mind you. Anybody, when they say having a child is not easy, and it don't matter if they're dog species or human species, because she's still a child at the end of the day. She's only 8 months. She's still a puppy. But why would you do that? You know what you're doing. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? Huh? Because why would you do that? You don't care? Okay. Anywho, guys, good morning. How are you guys? Let's do some skincare. I did this mask last night, and it's an overnight mask, so you sleep in it. Let me show you. So it's this one from BioDance. Love it. So I'm about to take it off and do my skincare. Ooh, so satisfying. I see the girls putting this in water and then putting it on their bodies and stuff. But last night, I already put some on my neck, so my neck feel kind of sticky right now, but I'm about to wipe it off. But look, I have a couple breakouts that I'm trying to work on, but yeah. The lines are from obviously sleeping, but look at the moisture. Let's talk about it real quick. Yeah. Kissing in the right, kissing in the right. I need a black card and a code to the state. Code to the state, code to the state. I show them how to network for the Netflix and chill. What's your network? Cause we ain't playing. You heard me. Just kidding. No, I'm not. Waiting for this water to get hot. Why do black people when they're waiting for the water to get hot, they keep doing this under the water like that's gonna speed up the process? Why is that a thing? That's actually funny. So I'm not gonna do my entire skincare routine. I'm just gonna put on some SPF because I'm gonna work out and it don't make no sense. I put on all those products and then I'm literally gonna wash it off to take a shower in an hour. So just some SPF.
And when we make love, you don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. You don't know my name. Everything I need between those that every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
What I love most about this sunscreen is it doesn't leave any white cast. Like you literally have to just rub it in and you're good. Like no, you know how sunscreens, especially on people of color, it'll leave like some white cast. Not this one. And then it's a SPF and a moisturizer, so love it. Shout out to Different, not sponsored. so strong. So strong. But yep, this is how it looks. Ginger and turmeric. I wanted to put some lemon juice in there and celery, but the celery I had, it went bad because I didn't realize I had it for a while. But yeah, but it smells so good. All these breakouts, this is gonna combat all of that. Some black pepper to it. That they say that activates the turmeric to make it more effective. So yeah. Camera yesterday, but here I am today. How y'all doing? If you're new here, my name is Nisha. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, share the videos, guys. Thank you very much. Just finished my workout. Killed me. Today was cardio. Well, it was kind of like a full body, but yeah. This is the workout outfit. Y'all, I'm trying to get my body right. My birthday is next month. Yeah. And I have my waist trainer on. Ain't playing. I'm trying to get my body right. Birthday is next month. So, you know. Yeah. And I'm getting married this year. I need to get the body right. But anywho, y'all knew I made some turmeric and ginger shots yesterday. I'm about to take my first shot. Let's see how it's tasting. I know it's gonna be nasty, but let's see. All right, so I'm gonna pour it in this shot glass. Ooh. It's gonna be so nasty. Oh, what's making a mess? All right, so. How many tablespoons was that? I didn't even count. Anyways. Bottoms up, y'all. Bottoms up. Ah! That shit is nasty. That is disgusting. Woo! Oh, now my stomach burns. I don't think it's supposed to burn. Let me stop this. I burned 231 calories this morning. It's good. That's what that Chick-fil-A I ate yesterday. I've been bad. Here go the sauce to prove it. But that's okay, because we locking in. Oh, my stomach. I feel nauseous now. I don't like drinking anything on empty stomach. Like when I first wake up, I don't like putting nothing on my stomach but room temp water or some tea. I have a very sensitive stomach. I can't handle all of that. I probably should have ate first, huh? Ooh, yikes. All right. I'm gonna go make me some breakfast, put some food on my stomach, and I'll call y'all back.